Cool. You cheesing about over there, Joe?
Dude, I'm just watching memes.
Oh yeah, just
Dying.
memeing it. Love
Gotta
it.
do something while this doesn't go my way, you know?
Yep, I'm super pumped. I just learned a lot more about liquidity and how to use it for this stuff. It's like you're basically looking for this thing to roll into this big old fair value gap here. And I think we're just going to roll off and either go down, but I don't know. We'll see.
What time frame are you looking at? Oh, the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we could pump all the way to the top, but I don't think so. Looks like we kind of hit like right about there. And then now we're pumping a little down.
Yeah.
I hate it when a chart gets not in at the right time.
Oh, there we go. Nice.
Sweet. Why are you so slow, Sierra chart? Literally like a minute behind this one. so, so I didn't even look if there was any news today. I mean, I guess all the news was yesterday. At 7, we got home sales or something. Natural gas. Nothing. Biden speaks. Weird. Damn. Running. Nice. $1,000. Even with a freaking lagging indicator, that should piss me off, dude. This fucking thing is like a little bit slower than the actual. It pisses me off. Get your shit together, Sierra charts. Hmm. I want $1 billion. We're at the bottom. Oh, damn. That was pretty steep. How low do you think we're going? Back down to the
At
fucking
least VWAP, I'm thinking.
yeah, VWAP or all the way down to
Oh, that'd be nice.
yesterday's high. Yeah, it'd be pretty big. But now we're gonna bounce around a little bit. And then
If
see
we
what
do,
happens.
I'm funding this account. I
Nice, do it.
need just like about $800, $700 left.
Hell yeah.
What accounts do you use on Apex?
Just the $50 ones.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Just make a stack.
50K.
Yeah, 50K, sorry.
Yeah.
And then you gotta just make $3,000 and you pass.
Yep. I have four of those funded. This is my 250K that I'm close to doing.
Nice. And then you just gotta make 10 days of positive trading or whatever.
Right. Yep.
There she goes.
But you said you've been doing this a while?
Yeah, I've been doing this for a minute.
It's
Boo. Craziness. To the moon. But yeah, I want to get back to having. I had 20 funded accounts and I made like 40 grand 1 month, and then I fucking blew them all the way of the trading.
yep. That's fun stuff.
Yeah. But it's cool. Brony, come on.
So my buddy and I trade,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll give you financial advice. It's gonna go up or down.
Yep. Hey, but
That's
what if it
always
goes
our joke.
sideways? Then you're
That's when it's going up and down at the same time.
exactly. That's the trick.
If we can master that,
Mhm.
then we'll be billionaires.
Ability. So, I mean, I see it. It'll roll back into this little fair value gap, and then it will
Yep.
just flood back down.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, but it might go a little higher too. It might even go up to the very top of it. But we'll see. Oh. Nope, broke through. Broke on through to the other side. Damn. I guess on 15. And this is the fair value gap.
Boom, bam. Boom, 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 boom.
Go. Yeah.
There we go.
No. It's gonna sloop it all back. Boo. Should have hit the flatten. But I bet if I stay in longer too, it probably would have kept going. I think we're rolling over now. Back down we go. Oh, just kidding. Hmm.
Were you able to? Yeah, I'm unmuted. Were you able to send the referral feed to the one dude?
No, I remember that now. I thought about this morning too. I'll do it right now. I'll check my
That's
phone. Zelly it up. Was he one of our B2B people or just some random guy?
Yep. I mean, he signed B2B, but we're only giving him 10%.
Cool.
Yeah.
A little stack. Maybe he'll bring us some more people.
Oh yeah, he says he's got more. So
Yeah. I want to really focus on B2B next couple days.
nice.
Got that one DeBella guy. I talked to him yesterday. He's gonna send us a bunch of his credit repair clients.
What was his name?
Well, his business is called DeBella Consulting or something.
What was it, Brian or something?
Yeah, it's kind of wild. He was working with Credit Cloud, and then they got sued by the like government or something. So
Yeah,
they can't do any more credit repair for anybody.
that's wild.
That's fucking crazy.
For real.
Your software gets sued, and then they just leaked all his data to the FTC. So any of his clients' private information got leaked to the FTC or CFPB to see if it was in compliance with some act or something.
Yeah, that's wild.
That's stupid. Good, but whatever. He's gonna send us all his clients. We're gonna do it.
Yeah, for real. That's what I was telling him.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Yeah. Chris, what's up?
Oh, and then when you can, you gotta send me mine for the two I've closed this week.
Mhm. Finally a regular day. The last 2 days were like terrible. I mean, I messed around with the FOMC and made a little bit of money yesterday, but other than that, it was all chop chop. So hopefully now the markets will kind of go back to some sort of consistency.
Yeah, hopefully.
Or not consistency, but just regular trades.
You just give me like 10 points. Yeah.
That's all you need and you're funded.
Probably. I don't do the math. I just need
Yeah.
a couple $100. I guess
I only need $1,000 on this one. But I'm just waiting for it to stop being in the middle. See if it's gonna roll over or what. It's kind of like this pivotal little moment right here where I think we're just gonna go down, down, down. At least like we said, back to the VWAP or back to the
yeah.
yesterday's all-time highs. But it looks like it's like trying to push higher and it's had a higher day. So
I mean tomorrow or yeah, tomorrow on the 20th, two of my other accounts come back.
cool.
Evals. So and they're 250Ks.
Sweet.
And on the 21st I get a 50K. I just don't pay to renew it. I just wait on the monthly and then that renews it.
You're hardcore, man. Waiting it out.
Patience.
Mhm.
It's my punishment for blowing my account.
Penance. Let's go up to here.
Hey, Robert, on that. So I've never used Slack before. I don't even know how it works.
Yeah.
So do I have to invite you to my channel that I
No. So in that first email, you should have gotten the link to the Slack channel, and then it should have invited you to the day trading one. Um,
so I'm in I clicked on
what's your email again, Chris?
it's chris@cfhoward.com. I'm in a Slack channel, but I don't know. I think it's one that I created myself privately.
Here, now you're in there, and I'll send
I
you.
am in there.
Yeah, I'll send you a little message after
All
this.
right.
Well, I just added you to it. Sorry, you weren't in there, but now you're in there,
Okay.
and you should see day trading mentorship.
Yeah, I think I must have added like a separate. Um,
Yeah, you might have made it your own channel.
I might. I think
Either
I.
way, I kind of secretly like having my own channel for journaling and stuff. It's kind of like a little life hack I've had. But as it's all towards communication, journaling, you can set up a bunch of automations and weird stuff too. But I'll send you a little breakdown. Like it's just a checklist to track where you're at with your trading, what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, what you can learn from.
Yeah, I jotted down the stuff to track. It was just getting Slack set up properly that was
Yeah.
messing me up because yeah, I've
You're
never
good.
used it before. I feel like I've used everything but Slack.
Yeah.
You just been shorting here in the last few minutes.
I've been trying to wait for it. Like I kind of thought maybe here we'll start rolling over, but here we'll start rolling over. Um, it's basically just been a lot of ups since yesterday, and
Mhm.
then we're kind of at a pivot point where
In one of your videos, I think you mentioned you use support and resistance. You
Yeah.
draw, you draw support and resistance levels um,
Yeah.
on your charts. But it looks like you're kind of just eyeballing them.
Yeah. I mean, when I first did, I definitely, I mean, that's what these little lines that I draw over here were, right? It's like planning out the day where do I think the most important points, pivot points are going to be and stuff
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
But yeah, now I just kind of eyeball it.
So you don't go back over. I think you said you'd go back over the 4 hour, the 1 hour. You don't do that anymore. You
Yeah, I
just
do. And I
you
do
do,
that. I do that first thing every
oh,
morning.
there's a 4 hour. Okay, okay, cool. All
Yeah.
right.
So I mean, like the first things I do is I just check the news, obviously. Then I check kind of the 4 hour. I draw out the kind of points of interest. Like right now, this big red candlestick is a very interesting moment because we're kind of like back into its liquidity and we made it all the way back up to here. So like this is
So you would look at that what is it 195 or 200?
yeah. And there's like we're also like right here at this other level. But I mean, the market just has so much juice from the FOMC and all the
Yeah,
excitement about
I know it
cheap
kept
money. So
going past everything.
yeah,
I had a bunch of resistance points from various charts, and it just kept blowing past all of them,
yeah,
which it hadn't been doing. What over the last week. I guess
mm,
there just wasn't momentum there.
yeah. It's all about liquidity. Fine. We'll go higher. There we go. Yeah, I'll take my money. That was pretty sweet. Oops. So wow. Might just be a slow grind up today. But I mean, like what I'm seeing is like we had this big morning candlestick, had this big wick up, and had all this like vicious upwardness. It's just unnatural. So I'm waiting for it to roll over, but it may never roll over. I just keep grinding upwards, upwards, upwards. But it's gonna be interesting what we do at this next pivot point right here.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at.
Yeah, I mean, if anything, it's still gonna pull back and then try again. But there's like pretty serious resistance here at the 680 and then again at the like 200s. So fall. Open.
When you say unnatural, you mean it's just exuberance from the rate decision that'll ease up.
Yeah. I mean, it's just excitement, right? There's there's excitement in the markets. So or not excitement, but there's also like cheaper money in the markets. That's why it's going up. So we haven't had a interest rate change in 4 years. So money's cheaper. So they're just basically pumping it up. So
So now, yeah,
yeah. I mean, same theory, like we were stuck in this thing. We were stuck in the liquidity inside of the candle. We just broke out of the liquidity in that candle. But there's still so much resistance like right here.
yeah,
You
right.
know,
Yep.
but like again, we might just keep having a slow grind to the upside all day. So we'll see. Because of the new money, right? There's going to be euphoria in the markets for a little while, and then everybody's going to just like forget about it, and then it'll go back down. I'm just making it like it's a theory, but I like it.
Well, what's crazy is that it was anticipated
Right.
by everyone by everyone. So it's
Yeah.
like, in fact, yesterday the response was muted,
Yeah.
and I was like, well, yeah, that's because everyone knew it was coming.
Yeah. But it still makes the money cheaper though. So everybody knew it was coming, but it still does play some part.
Yeah.
But it's kind of funny. There we go. Got your big move up. Sometimes it's better just to go with the flow instead of always being a contrarian.
Yeah.
Look at that big ass green candlestick. 15. Maybe we don't care about this candle at all. Who knows? Or this little line that I made. I mean, this is a big ass fair value gap. So now we're probably going to get to the top of it and then roll over. So that'll be a big move. Set like a little alarm or something.
Yeah, I had that level marked too.
Oh, Shoot. To the moon it goes. Fuck.
I need to jump on another call at 7:30 and I'll be back on if you guys are still here.
Okay. It's a slow grind up. Not missing much.
For real.
Wall Street's just like, let's go back to all-time highs. Yeah. Right before Christmas, so we can show all of our clients how much money we make them.
Love that.
Yeah. I guess that was a bear flag. I think it's just fucking. But I mean, how high can we go?
Oh,
How high can we go? To the motherfucking moon. Shit. Yes, I was looking at it wrong. Got a fair value gap here. Fuck my rectangles. Thing just fucking exploded. It's still going, dude. Holy shit. Wow. Sell one. Oops. When does that? Pretty freaking crazy. I like it right to that line. So I didn't give a shit about this top. It was just this little top. Weirdness. See what it does here.
Did you see what Ian sent?
No.
He was just saying that he added a new Google Sheets with all the clients
Oh, cool.
just to kind of keep track of them.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah.
Oh, is it just for the ones that he's closed or?
Both,
Okay, sweet.
just FA clients.
Yeah, because I was gonna just have to go through all of the new ones and put them in a little spreadsheet and shit. So that's awesome.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, we got to find a way to keep track of our like the partners that we've paid out. Like if you already sent it to Brandon, I want to know just so it's like, all
Yeah.
right, cool, yeah, got sent. Then I can tell him, or he'll know. But then it's like, all right, cool. It's not something that's forgotten, especially with the ones that send us a lot.
Yeah. I just like I mean maybe it'd be better if we just pay them on the 1st and the 15th,
Yeah,
but
that
we need
works.
to figure it out. This guy I'll just pay right now. My phone's over there on the charger still, so I haven't done.
Yeah,
But I'll do it.
I'm about to pay for one of my fundeds, so
Nice.
I'll be right back.
Cool. Man, what a move. Here. Pretty well. All right. So
Did it hit that top point of the resistance?
I went a little bit beyond it,
Okay.
and then it snapped. But I think we're just gonna buy some more, get some more liquidity, and then continue higher. But who knows? But yeah, I got this huge fair value gap right here. We kind of came back in the range down here, so might just stop right here actually. Yep.
Oh dang! I can hear baby crying.
Oh, babies. So not much. Yes.
You in lungs?
No.
No.
Let's see if it'll get me in at the bottom of this little candle. Oh, 12. Oh, man. Nice. 78.
You take those shorts?
Yeah, taking a couple. I think we're going down to like 778, but it's very whipsaw right now. We're going down to like 780 right here. Nice. That was a fucking dope trade. I fucking nailed that one. That was like best trade of the day. Boom. Should have just stayed in, but whatever. Love it when a good trade comes together. Back to the moon.
My funded accounts aren't showing up.
Yeah, sometimes it take a little while. Pisses me off.
For real.
That's what it is.
It is what it is.
Mhm.
Oh, I have another 250K. Sweet. Well,
No. No. Yeah. Oh, come on. Missed it by a tick. Oh, no, I didn't.
Very nice.
An ass.
You feeling bullish? I see you keep looking for longs.
I mean, I just keep thinking we're gonna hit these points of resistance and go try the highs we did just a minute ago. But now I'm wrong. Did that one good trade and then I gave it back. It sucks.
I'm over here like dump, dump,
Yeah.
dump. My entry is 80. So
Well, I just keep thinking it was a bullish flag. Like I thought we would just like hit up, hit
keep
some
going. Yeah, yeah.
resistance, and then continue to this little higher one right here, but not looking like it. It's probably gonna dump back down to here somewhere. Dun dun dun. That's what I get for trying to predict shit. Mm-mm. Yeah, that's what I get. Sh 55.
Got a lead here that didn't connect to close. Set row.
You got a lead? What?
Yeah, it didn't connect to close.
Oh yeah. All right, it's 8. I'm gonna go hit the gym before my fucking phone starts exploding.
Going to the gym, then coming back.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's Thursday, isn't it?
I was supposed to go at 6:30, but
It's hard, man. Yeah, we got like an hour and then I got like a billion calls today. But it's all good calls. Everybody's gonna start funding. Got like 5 people who's gonna basically do their start funding call today, which is pretty intense.
no, that's amazing.
That's freaking cool, actually. Love that.
We'd love to hear it.
Yo. All right.